And we're just at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Just finished our 2-inch lift kit on this car. It is riding considerably higher. What a great fun little car, man. It is, honestly. So for those of you that are wondering, those are the stock rear rims on both the front and the rear now, with slightly larger size tires, being 185 55 15s instead of what's usually stock on the rear is the 175. So it is a wider tire, but you can see on the front that she does stick out a little bit. An aggressive stance, definitely not your average Smarty. How does she drive, Ian?
She's a fun little rocket ship.
Isn't she? I love her. She's great. And now we're going to do the alignment. Yeah, I know. License and registration. So I don't think we're going to get stuck in the snow.
No, she's high enough to clear a good one.
I'm pretty sure I'll be okay.
I think you'll be okay.
And the steering wheel straight after the installation.
Pretty close.
So not going to need much adjustment, so it should be good. And we're good to go. So well worth the investment for those of you that are looking to invest, because it really does look cool. You really do see the difference compared to the stock. So thanks for all your help, Ian, on getting this little project done and sharing it with our friends on our Facebook page here. We'll talk to you all later.